Good morning everybody, it's smoothie time, and today we make a spring cleaning out smoothie. This means green with a very little fruit, you will see. And I already soaked the different seeds and they're in here. It's 2 spoonfuls of flax, 2 spoons of chia and 2 spoons of hemp, and then some almonds, maybe 10 almonds, and then 2 tablespoons of dried raisins. So this is all soaking in here since about 6 o'clock in the morning. And now after coming in from the garden with all these, it smells so good. I wished you could smell it. It's like so amazing. It's Kentucky mint, and this is great for the taste. It makes it kind of fresh. And then we have marjoram here, which makes also the round taste. And then we have all this is miner's lettuce. And this actually tastes really exceptionally wonderful. So we put this all in here, that hairdo. And then I also brought some celery, really nice.
This is all from the garden.
Yeah, it's all from the garden. It's the stalks and the kraut, which is really nice. So now I will quickly give it a swirl here so it goes down. So now we have space for the next. This is lemon from the garden too. Put this in. This is ginger. We will have fresh ginger from the garden, but only in autumn, and it doesn't last that long, so I have it ready. And this is 1 apple, so we're refraining from putting lots of fruits in, and mostly just the greens and the seeds. And this is a wonderful cleaning out smoothie, and it tastes really good. And we have Triphala, is a Ayurvedic product, and it's a herbal product which actually contains mainly little Indian fruits, and it's balancing the 3 doshas. We all have a dosha. You can Google it and see what this is. It's not necessary. You can vary it, but I strongly recommend not putting more fruits in, especially not bananas, because then it gets too sweet. We don't want it sweet and yummy, we want it fresh and green and yummy. So if you don't have access to a garden, then put some cilantro, is very cleaning too. And then you can put kale, or any kind of kale, or spinach, or whatever strikes you fancy. You can put in, and very important, celery. A half bush, you know, when you get the bush of celery, I would use a half of. This is all for 2 people. So now we're going to mix this up, and then I will feed this separately. So, yeah, it makes a little bit of a singing sound here, but it's a great machine, the Vitamix. We wouldn't like to miss it. So, and then it's ready to serve.
Wow.
This is the consistency.
It's a lot of smoothie.
Yeah. This will keep you till the afternoon. So, well, look at this.
Oh,
We
wow.
can.
Thank you. Nom nom. Wow, that's really good.
You're having a green mustache then. It's amazingly good. You can't imagine how good this is. It tastes fresh, green. It has this lemony, and what this powder actually does, it gives it a little more sourness in there, so it supports the lemon. You can also put more lemon in if you don't have the powder.
And the hemp parts make it
Make it so creamy.
creamy. It's
Yeah,
really
that's
good.
what you like with the
Yeah.
creaminess. And then you have all this omega-3. I mean, you can't beat this. And it's not sugary sweet. Do this for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, however long you like it. Maybe you do it even for a few months. It's kind of cleaning out the system and nourishing you at the same time. So, prost everybody, and see you again. Bye. Thank you.